How to change your profile picture on Opensea. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Opensea profile picture fast and easy in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to opensea.io, and this is the home page. Now go here and go to your profile. Now this is the profile picture that I want to change. All what you have to do is go into it and click. Now right here it will take you to your desktop directly and choose the photo that you want to put here. This is the first method. Now the second one is go to settings and do the same thing. Just click and choose the photo that you want. After you finish, click save. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.